Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Very good. So welcome back to Nagesh Korasgi Orchid School. Okay? So children, we are learning literacy subject. Yes or no? I am teaching you literacy subject. So till now, how many letters we have learnt? Yes? Till now we have learnt letter A. Very good. Which letter is this? It's letter B. Very good. Which letter is this? C. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? F. After F, which letter will come? G. Yes. After G, which letter will come? Letter H. Okay? And letter I. So till now, we have learnt A to G letters. And in today's episode, we are going to learn letter H and letter I. Okay children, before starting with that, we will revise from letters A to G. Okay, we have learnt letters A to G and once we will revise. So I will show you some objects. You have to say the sounds. Okay, I have taught you the phonic sounds. Yes, so we will revise the sounds of the letters. Okay children, are you ready? Yes. Now see the first picture. What it is? Yes. What it is? Yes, it's an aeroplane. And what is the phonic sound of letter A? A. Very good. This is aeroplane. Okay. The next object is apple. Okay. You have to repeat after teacher. Okay. Apple. Now we will see the pictures of sound B. Okay. Letter B. Sorry. This is a bird. Okay. What is this? It is a bird. Bird. Okay. Baby. What it is? Baby. Ball. What is this? It's ball. Ball. Bowl. What is this? Bowl. Okay. You have to practice the sounds. Okay. Now we will see the sounds of letter C. Okay. What is the phonic sound of letter C? It's K. Very good. You can say this. What is this? Cup. What it is? Cup. Corn. Yes. You like to eat this corn? Very good. It is corn. See this? What it is? Yes. You play with this? It is a toy. Yes. Very good. But what is the name of this toy? Yes. Very good. Car. So, car. Okay. After C, now we will see the phonic sound of letter D. Okay. Dog. What is this? It is a doggy. So, dog. Duck. Repeat after teacher. Duck. After D, which letter comes? E. Very good. So, the phonic sound of letter E is elephant. Okay, children? What it is? Elephant. Yes. After E, which letter will come? Letter F. Very good. And the phonic sound of letter F is F. You have to just blow the air from your mouth. Flower. Repeat after teacher. Flower. Okay. What it is? Yes, it is fan. Fan. Yes. Fan. Very good. Say this. Fork. Yes, you eat the fruits. Yes, noodles, something with this spoon. So this spoon is known as fork. What it is? Fork. After F, which letter will come? G. And what is the phonic sound of letter G? It's G. Grapes. What is this? This is grapes. Okay. Goat. You can see this goat? Yes. Goat. After this, glass. What is this? Glass. Okay, children. One more is this. What is this? Gun. You like to hit the gun? Yes, children. You like to play with this gun? Okay, this is gun. So now we have revised these letters from A to G. Now you have to look at the board. Capital letter B, small letter b, sound is B. Capital letter C, small letter c, K. Capital letter D, small letter d, sound is D. Capital letter E, small letter e, sound is E. Capital letter F, small letter f, that is F. Capital letter G, small letter g, and the phonic sound is G. So today we have seen few objects, means few pictures I have shown you that begin and their beginning sound. Okay. So now you have understood this sound, children. You have to practice at home. Now if I write the letter on the board, you have to say the phonic sound. So now you tell me what is the sound of this letter? You don't have to say the letter, you have to say the sound. See, A, B, K, D, E, F and G. Okay, children. So up till now we have studied letter A to G. In today's episode I am going to teach you letter H and letter I. Okay. So today we are going to learn which letters? Today we are going to learn capital letter H, small letter h, capital letter I, small letter I. Okay, children. So now you have to open your literacy skill book. Okay. You have to open literacy skill book. I will show you. Yes. You have to open literacy skill book, page number 2828. Okay, children. Now you see here, before starting with this page, I will show you some objects. You have to say after me. Okay. I will show you objects and the phonic sound of that object. So first I will show you one object. Okay, children. You have to see that and you have to tell me what it is. What is this? Yes, children. What is this? Yes, it is a horse. And what is the beginning letter of this horse? It starts with the letter H. Okay. So the phonic sound of this letter is H. You have to just blow the air like F. Okay. H. Okay. H. H for horse. Okay. And one more I am having. You can see this. What is this? Yes, it's a hippopotamus. And this beginning sound of this hippopotamus is H. Okay. H. Understood? So today we are going to learn capital letter H, small letter h, and capital letter I, small letter I. So look at this. What is this? It is a ink pot. Yes. So ink. Okay. This is horse and the beginning sound is H. Hippopotamus, beginning sound is H. And I is for ink. Ink. So today we are going to learn this H and I letters. Okay, children? Okay. So you have to see on the board. I will teach you now letter. What is H? This? This is capital letter H, small letter h. Okay. And the beginning sound of letter H is H. You have to repeat after teacher. What is the beginning sound? What is the phonic sound? H. Okay. H, house. H, hen. H, horse. H, hat. H, hippopotamus. Okay. So now I have shown you some objects. Okay. And what is the beginning sound of this letter H is? What is the phonic sound of letter H is? H. Okay. Now you have to turn the page. Open the next page of your skill book. Now we have to trace and write this capital letter H and small letter h. Okay, are you ready? Okay children. So now I will teach you how to write capital letter H and how to write small letter h. Okay, now you have to draw a standing line from red to blue line, one more standing line and a sleeping line on this blue line. Okay, it is capital letter H. Repeat after teacher, write properly from red to blue line, capital letter H. Capital letter H. And what is the phonic sound of letter H? It is H. Capital letter H. One more time in this line we have to complete. Capital letter H. Capital letter H. What is the phonic sound of letter H? It is H. Okay? Yes. Now I will show you how to write small h. First, from red to blue line, you have to draw one standing line, and from blue to blue line, a small curve. Okay? Small letter H. 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 Write properly in red to blue line, okay? Yes, in neat, good handwriting you have to write. Don't erase again and again. Maintain your books properly, okay? Small letter H. Write fast. Now next what you have to do? You have to color the pictures that begin with letter H. Now tell me which picture is this? It is a hat. Yes. What it is? It is a hat. Okay children? So you have to color this picture. Okay? Now you have to color the picture of hat. Also you have to color the picture of horse. Yes. Come on, color fast. You have to take your crayons and color the pictures. Okay? Hat. Horse. These two pictures, they start with the letter H. So we have to color only these two pictures. Okay children? Yes. Hat and horse. Finished? Turn the page. Now you have to open the next page, page number 3030, and we have to solve this. Okay? So we have to write the first letter of each picture. Write the first letter of each picture. Which picture is this? It is a hat. So here you have to write capital letter H. Okay? What you have to write? You have to write capital letter H. Write fast. Hat. Hut. Hair. Hanger. Horse. Helicopter. On this page we have to write capital letter H. Okay? Finished? Okay. Now turn the page. Open the next page. Open the next page. What you can see here on this page, children? Yes, today one more letter we are going to learn, that is capital letter I and small letter I. See here, this is capital letter I, this is small letter I. And what is the phonic sound of letter I? It is E. Okay? What is the phonic sound? It is E. See here, E, insect. ice, ink, ice cream. Okay, so these are some pictures that starts with the sound E. Now you have to turn the page. I will show you how to write capital letter I. Okay children, you have to draw one standing line from red to blue line and two sleeping lines. One sleeping line on the red line and one sleeping line on the blue line. This is capital letter I. Okay, now you have to write with teacher capital letter I. And what is the phonic sound of letter I? It is E. Capital letter I. Capital letter I. Capital letter I. Done? Now I will show you how to write small letter I. In two blue lines, you have to draw one standing line, okay? And you have to give a dot on the top, okay? This is small letter I. Small letter I. You have to write in between only two blue lines, okay? Yes. Small letter I. Small letter I. What is the phonic sound of letter I? It is E. Okay? Yes. Small letter I. Okay? Yes. Now, here below what it is given, lead the insect to the things that begin with I. Okay? So, this you have to solve at home. You write here H.W homework. Okay children? Understood? Now you have to turn the page. Open next page, page number 3333. Now here what we have to practice? Write the first letter of each picture. Okay? So which picture is this? It is ice. So I is for ice. You have to write here capital letter I. Ice, ink pot, ice cream, igloo, iguana and iron. Okay, we have to write capital letter I and complete this page. Done? Okay, complete fast. Finished? Very good. Now you have to open your literacy workbook. Okay, what you have to open children? You have to open your literacy workbook. You have to open literacy workbook. Okay, literacy workbook, page number 1 to 12. Today we have studied which letters? Yes, today we have studied letter H and letter I. Okay, so you have to open this page, page number 1 to 12, capital letter H, small letter h. This page you have to trace and write. Okay, so here you have to write H.W homework. You have to practice writing capital letter H and here you have to practice small letter h. Also you have to write here capital H and color this picture of a house. H is for house. What is the phonic sound of letter H? Yes, it is H. Now next page, okay? Next page you have to open page number 1313. Here also you have to write H.W homework. You have to practice writing capital letter I and small letter I. Okay, and also you have to color the picture of ice cream. Okay children, understood? Yes. So children, what we have learned today? Yes, which letters we have learned? We have learned letter H. H is for hat. Okay, hat. House. And one more letter which we have learned. Today we have learned capital letter I, small letter I. Okay, and what is the phonic sound of I? E. Okay, E, ink, E, igloo. Okay children, so today we have learned two letters. Okay, that is letter H and letter I. And up till now, how many letters we have learned? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Okay, so up till now we have learned A to I letters and their phonic sounds also. Okay, so you have to practice at home these letters and their sounds. So, and whatever homework I have given you to trace, to practice letter H and letter I in your literacy workbook, you have to complete that at home. Okay, meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.